Hey everyone, it's Mel. Today I'm going to share with you one of our favorite ways to repurpose extra candle wax.
It's likely that at some point or another you finished pouring your candles only to find out that you had just a little bit of extra wax left in your pitcher, or you've burn tested one that maybe just didn't come out quite right.
If this is you and you're tired of not knowing what to do with that extra wax, a great way to repurpose it is by making wax melts or tarts. Wax melts are steadily growing in popularity and are an easy and cost-effective way to make the most of your materials.
To make your melts, all you need are some clamshells or tart molds. Once you're done pouring all your candles, simply set out your shells or molds and pour the remaining fragrance wax into the molds.
If you're remelting a finished candle, be sure to refer to our blog, Repurposing Leftover Wax, for complete steps on how to remelt your candle to preserve the fragrance.
Once you've poured your melts or tarts, let the mold set for 72 hours and you're ready to sell them as an additional product to your candle line or use them at home in a melter or warmer. There are a variety of mold shapes and sizes, and you can decorate them using dried botanicals, eco dyes, micas, and crystals to make pretty scented shapes that do double duty as excellent home decor.
What's your favorite wax melt or tart shape? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. Now, go make it happen.